Hello, this is my 13th lecture on matrices. I'm Sanjata Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today, we will find the rank of the matrix using the normal form, or it is also called the canonical form. So, at first, we do the example. As you can see, example 7, show that the matrix is equivalent to I3. So, here you use um, the echelon form, and here we see that the value of this is not equal to 0. Hence the matrix is non-singular. Hence the rank of this is equal to 3. And since the rank of I3 means unit matrix of order 3 is also equal to 3, so this is or rank of this is also 3. This is not in a normal form. I am explaining the next problem as an example of the normal form. This is for equivalent matrices of the order. That's why I have given this example. Now I am starting the how to use a normal form. It is given on your screen. In normal form, we first use the column transformation, give making the topmost members of each column is equal to 0, and then the row transformation to make the first column is equal to 0. At first, when we did the column transformation, we make the first rows, all the elements of the first row becomes 0, leaving the topmost corner element, and then giving the row transformation, make the all the members of the first column equal to 0, leaving the first element. Now, at first you have to check the topmost value should be equal to 1, then only you proceed. If it is not there, then transfer any column or row so that the topmost corner value should be equal to 1, or divide it by something so that the topmost corner value is equal to 1, then only proceed. Now here you can see the topmost corner value is 1. So giving the column transformation here given, you can see the values are 0, 0, 0. Your aim is to make the first row members equal to 0, giving such transformation such that the first rows, all the elements of the first row become 0, leaving the first element. Similarly, give those transformation in columns. First column element becomes 0. Such transformation you should follow. Then you can see the first column members also become 0, and the first topmost value is 1. Again, you see here in the second row, after 0, in the second row, this value, when you can see the value 8, it should be 1. So, making it 1, you can exchange any row or any column, or dividing by some element, or multiplying by some element, such show that this should be in place of 8 you should find 1. So dividing the column by 1 by 8, so we will get, as you can see on your screen. Then also make the second row and other elements equal to 0. So you can see, and then the second column element equal to 0. So you can see on your screen, and then after that making them 0, you can see on your screen 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, 0, 9 minus 30. This 9 should be also equal to 1. So this 9, dividing this column by 1 by 9, you will get 1 here. And then 30 minus 32 should be equal to 0. So after that, this is equal to giving the transformation, we will get 0, 0, 0. Now you can see this is a unit matrix of order 3, because 4 column is, all the members of the 4 column is 0. So this is a identity matrix of order 3, hence its rank is 3. Similarly, ninth problem you do on your home. This is a homework for you. Now the 10th exercise. Here we can see the find the ranks of A, B, A plus B, AB and BA, where A and B are given. So here find the rank of A separately, find the rank of B using any one of the method, but you can choose any one of the method. Here they have used the normal form. Normal form, that means you are to find in the form, the identity matrix form, that is called the normal form. It in echelon form it is not so. So finding the values of rank A, rank B, then add rank A and B, and then find the rank of A plus B. After finding A plus B, then find the rank using any one of the method. Here they follow the normal method and then find the rank of A plus B. Now, to find the rank of find the rank of AB, you multiply A into B first and then getting the result, then find the rank. Here we see that AB is equal to 0. So rank of this null matrix, so rank of this matrix is 0. And B into A is 1. Then after that it will become a unit matrix, so the rank of this is equal to 1. Now, I am saying another example. See, find the non-singular matrices P and Q such that PAQ is in the normal form. Now, A is given. Here we can see that A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So you take it as A, we can take on the left side, and on the right side you take a matrix of 3 cross 3 and A into matrix of 3 cross 3, because it is A is of 3 rows and 3 columns. If A is of 3 rows and 4 columns, then the previous to A will be 3 unit matrix, a 3 cross 3 unit matrix, and after A, that should be 4 cross 4 unit matrix. Again, I'm saying A is equal to 3 cross 3 matrix, so this can be written in the form as you can see. So before A, 3 cross 3 rows matrix, 3 rows there, so 3 cross 3 unit matrix, and after A, there is again 3 columns, so 3 cross 3 unit matrix. So give a transformation in rows. Suppose I have first given the row transformation to make the second rows first element 0, third rows first element 0. Then that uh, that that transformation is given to before a matrix on the right hand side. Here R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. So here give before A on the right hand side, R2 is equal to R2 minus R1, and that will become minus 1. And R3 is equal to R3 minus 3 to become the left hand side member 0, which is also given to the before A. So the row transformation is given on the left, then the same transformation is given on the right before A, and the column transformation given on the right, on the left side is given to the after A on the right side. Here again I am giving the column transformation. So this is not given in this is given on left hand side of A and on the right hand side of after A. So after that we get the values. Now on the left hand side we get 2 minus 2, 2, 2. So if I exchanging R2 is equal to half R2. So here also R2 in R2 before A on the right hand side we have to given the same. And um, same. So here you can see and R3 is equal to R3 minus 2R2 here. So after that the left hand side become the unit matrix of order 3. Sorry, no, unit matrix of order 2. Here on the right hand side before A it is a matrix, you can see P is called P and A, and the last one is called Q. So P is written to U, Q is written to U, and PAQ is equal to I2 0 0 0. So since A is I2 0 0, therefore rank of A is equal to 2. Here I have given another example. Here in this example, this is 3 rows and 4 columns. So try at home. So thank you today.